Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about types of SEO, search engine optimization, different types of search engine optimization. Basically, there are two important types of search engine optimizations are available. One is on-page optimization, the other one is the off-page optimization. So today we will discuss what is on-page optimization and what is an off-page optimization and how these two are useful for SEO. Before moving ahead with the video, subscribe to our channel Pi-MSquare Academy for more updates about marketing, management concepts, and entrepreneurship ideas. So as discussed, there are two types of SEO. One is that on-page SEO and the other one is that off-page SEO. So what is an on-page SEO? As the name suggests, on-page SEO is done on the website, or it is done on the HTML pages of the website where the coding and everything is written to develop a website. So on the coding part of HTML, there are few things which are get optimized, in terms of keywords, in terms of title or meta description. We'll be discussing everything step by step. So optimizing those things in the HTML codings on the website is called as the on-page SEO. So as the name suggests, the optimization done on the website or the HTML coding of the website is called as the on-page SEO. So the on-page SEO can be of different types, and these are some of the on-page SEO checklists which are required to be done for the optimization on the website. For example, the title tag. This title tag is useful when you work on the website optimization. URL, meta tags and description, keywords and density, hyperlinks, page loading time, user responsive design, duplicate content or the content, web crawlers, site maps, body content. So these are some of the on-page SEO checklists which are useful while optimizing your website. We'll be discussing about each one of these in our next video, why and how the on-page SEO different types are useful for the website. So what is off-page optimization? As discussed earlier for the on-page optimization, that the thing which is optimized on the website is called as on-page optimization. In the same way around, the optimization which is done outside of your website, it's called as off-page optimization. This may be the concepts or the techniques which are applied outside of your website, or to link your website with different websites and get search engine results on the top of Google search engine results page, or be it Bing or Google or Yahoo, be it in the like to be in the search engine results page and have a good rank. Off-page optimization is very useful. So some of the off-page optimization techniques are link development, social media marketing, search engine marketing, article submission, video marketing, social book marketing, content marketing, document marketing, image submissions. So there are a lot of other off-page SEO techniques are available which are useful to build the links, to build the brand, to get the traffic to your website. So these are some of the useful off-page SEO techniques, so which helps you to generate the leads as well as to grow the brand. So today we have discussed on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and use of both the SEO techniques. By summarizing these things, we just understood the definition of on-page SEO and what are the different types of on-page SEO techniques are available, or the checklist of on-page SEO, and off-page SEO, and what are the different techniques are available to do the off-page SEO. So thank you for watching our video. For more videos and updates on marketing and sales or the entrepreneurship ideas and everything, subscribe to our YouTube channel Pi-MSquare Academy and follow us on the social media networks, your favorite social media networks, be it Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. We are there to give you a lot of updates on marketing for free.